President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC uba Vincent H Pala uba dari ru khot saka yeng dorba thau an Lok Sabha na Shillong seat ula pen pau ba un Siang da ka karpet Rong sau Lada Dr. Mukul Sangma Menteri Rang ba barim baru MLA ka Songsak Wanphai Biang saka Congress uba Pala ula itu ba ula kentu yau Dr. Mukul Sangma bat ka kenhun jong u ban Wanphai Biang saka Congress hnrai unget pat ba un amon phai shu namaru la ia ka party bat pet saka All India Trinamool Congress halor ki daw.
If Mukul come to the Congress, we'll be very happy. It's not that personally, I used to work under him when he was a minister. I was an officer, and when he was a chief minister, I was an MP. So I had no problem. I'll be very happy if he comes back to the Congress also. Rather, a few days back, I called Zenith. I said, I've seen in the news that you are going to from your own party. Somebody said you're joining BJP, so different. Why not you come back to your own party and then think? Then Zenith said, no, we'll sit and talk. So personally on that line, I have no problem. I'll be very happy if he comes. But I don't think because when he left the party, he left with a reason. And we are in the opposition before and now. I don't think that he will come, but I don't know. That's up to him. So that question, the best to be answered by them, not by me. Most welcome with red carpet, not only welcome. Number two is Mukul was very clear when he left the party. When he left the party, I've seen he never said that he had some difference with me. He also said that he had some difference because of various reasons, and he planned it long back. Before he left the party, he said that it's not a one-day planned or he thought over. He planned it much before. That means whether I become a president or whoever become a president, he would have left the party and find alternative. But I tried to talk to him when I became a president. Normally a party, president of a party, when it's appointed in the states, they always take concerns of the CLP. But when I was called thrice, actually I was told to be a president thrice, but I thought that there are people who are better than me, but Charles should have been a president. Then I even recommended Dr. Mukul at that time as president, but the High Command have their own feedback, their own survey. So they said, no. So I've been, one of my main first conditions that before I should be appointed, I told you should take the consent whether Mukul will agree or not. And they told me that they talked to Mukul. Only one Mukul is that the working president should be given to one of his MLAs. So that was given, and later on it was notified. So the question of that he was not consulted, that also has to be answered by Delhi. But to me, when I was normally given a chance, then I told them I'm ready to be a president for the interest of the party, but it's not that I come to destroy the party, but I come to build the party. So everybody has to be taken into. So the first trip when I came from Delhi, I was supposed to meet Mukul, but when I landed here, he did not meet me, and then I talked to Delhi, and Delhi came and they tried to meet him. He met them, he discussed with them. So I think that was a history only. But if you tell me personally, I don't have any problem with him. He might have a problem with me, I don't know, that he never told me. But I don't have a problem. When he fought MP election, when he fought anything, I always used to support him. Even when I was an officer, as an engineer and all, I used to go to Kyrwoh Hills, stay in Kyrwoh Hills for weeks together campaigning for him. And when he was a CM, whenever I requested him, he always did the work. But when I became a politician, I don't know, it may be here and there, after all, I'm also not a perfect human being. So I don't know, maybe. And sometimes we leaders also, we depend on our friends. And we depend on hearsay. Sometimes it's been misled of, our decisions. Sometimes our feeling, our perceptions used to be wrong. And but as a politician, we should correct our perceptions also. Sometimes our ego is more than our perceptions also. Sometimes we should look into it also.
Hakaway pat kaliang uniu noy la muloong baga jaya pat ki vote hapreng ke Congress pat ke TMC ke dekat daw pa baga National People's Party kan sejak bon na rilong garo haka election MLA araja arpulai. Show ubak pala ula ai kajing ro ya All India Trinamool Congress namar kalale baha hak election MLA baladap.
I think it's if you see in the vote share in Kyrwoh Hills, it's very clear that if Congress and TMC works together, that equalize the vote share of the NPP in terms of percentage. So definitely, I think if Congress and TMC works together, we should be giving a good fight in Kyrwoh Hills. Maybe the people of Meghalaya that did not support the TMC, the ideology, or maybe it was the first time that it has come. But if you look at that uncle, they have done well. They first came to Meghalaya, they got 5 MLAs. And we have been here, we've got the same number of MLAs. So in terms of performance, I think TMC has done well compared to BJP, who has been for quite long, even compared to other parties also. So they have done well.